8 easy ways to break the ice on a first date. Have you ever been on a first date and found yourself stuck in that awkward silence? We will dive into some super fun, easy conversation starters that will make sure your first date is anything but boring. Before we go further, remember to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button below, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends or on your social media platforms. Now, let's dive back into the video. 1. Share your favorite travel destination. Travel stories are an instant hit when it comes to starting a great conversation. Talking about your favorite places or where you dream of going is a brilliant way to ignite excitement and get to know someone on a deeper level. People love to share their travel experiences, whether it's the vibrant markets of Marrakesh, the magical sunsets in Santorini, or just a simple beach vacation that made them happy. Travel stories show what kind of person they are, whether they're into adventure, relaxation, or culture. Plus, you might discover that both of you are travel junkies or dream of visiting the same places. It opens the door to future adventures and maybe even planning a trip together down the road. 2. Discuss your favorite books or movies. These are fantastic because they show a bit of someone's inner world, their imagination, and what makes them tick. You can learn so much about someone just by asking, "What's your favorite book?" Or, "What movie can you watch over and over?" Whether they're into thrilling mysteries, deep literary classics, or feel-good comedies, it's a great way to dive into each other's personalities. Also, if they love the same movie or book as you, it's like an instant bond. 3. Talk about your hobbies and passions. Hobbies are like windows into a person's soul. What do they do when they're not working or running errands? This is where you can learn what makes them truly happy. Maybe they're into painting, hiking, playing an instrument, or gardening. Hobbies show what kind of person they are and where they find joy and peace in their life. Sharing your passions can spark a lively discussion, and it's also a great way to find common ground. You might both love cooking, or perhaps you can teach each other a new hobby. The fun part of this conversation is discovering things you might want to try together in the future. 4. Share funny or embarrassing stories. Humor is the key to breaking the ice and making your date feel more relaxed. Sharing funny or embarrassing stories brings out the human side of us. Everyone has that one story that makes them laugh at themselves, and it's a great way to show vulnerability in a lighthearted way. You might tell the story of the time you spilled coffee all over yourself right before an important meeting, or that time you tripped in front of a crowd. It brings a smile, lightens the mood, and shows you don't take yourself too seriously. And of course, when both of you share these moments, it brings you closer and helps build a genuine connection. 5. Discuss your bucket list or dreams. Dreams are a beautiful way to get to know someone on a deeper level. What are their biggest goals? What's on their bucket list? This topic is great because it allows the conversation to drift into exciting and personal territory. Whether it's skydiving, learning a new language, or traveling to all 7 continents, bucket lists tell you about what truly matters to someone. Sharing your dreams and aspirations isn't just about places you want to visit or things you want to achieve. It's about understanding the essence of who the other person is. 6. Ask about their childhood or family. If you're looking to get a bit more personal, talking about childhood memories or family traditions is an awesome way to build a strong bond. This is where you can learn about how they grew up, what their family means to them, and the kind of values they hold. You might ask about their favorite childhood memory or a funny family tradition. These stories often bring out a lot of smiles and heartwarming moments, giving you a deeper glimpse into their past and what shaped them into who they are today. 7. Share your favorite food or cuisine. Food is a universal love language, isn't it? Whether you're a foodie or someone who loves to cook, talking about favorite foods can easily spark a fun and delicious conversation. Ask them what their favorite dish is, or if there's a cuisine they can't get enough of. You might bond over a shared love for sushi, pasta, or spicy food. 8. Discuss your ideal vacation or adventure. We all dream of that perfect getaway, whether it's a serene beach or an epic mountain climb. Discussing ideal vacations or adventures helps reveal someone's sense of adventure and excitement for life. This conversation can open up future travel ideas and show how spontaneous or adventurous someone is. Whether you're talking about travel, dreams, or funny moments, the key is to be yourself and let the conversation flow naturally. Remember, it's all about making a genuine connection. So next time you're heading out on a first date, keep these in your back pocket, and who knows? You might just impress them with your smooth conversational skills. If you liked this video, please press the subscribe button for more health-related advice and insights. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We appreciate your time and we'll see you next time. Be healthy and keep flourishing.